Today we are gonna make blue caraco popsicles. First we are gonna need some blue caraco syrup. Next we need a lemon. Then we need some sugar and some water. And then a popsicle tray. If you're not having a popsicle tray, you can even use a glass. And a bowl for mixing. First, let's add the lemon into the bowl.
Squeeze the lemon.
Squeezing the lemon inside the bowl. Now let's take out all the seeds, which is optional. Now let's add some water. Let's add some sugar. Stir. Now let's stir it well until the sugar dissolves. Now is the fun part. Let's add the blue caraco. Don't add too much. Now let's add the blue caraco mixture into the popsicle molds.
I think it's purple caraco instead of blue caraco. And this we have.
Now let's close it. Done. Now let's freeze it.
Let's keep it in the refrigerator.
Now it's done freezing. Now we have to remove the ice cream from the mold. Look at this. Our fabulous blue caraco ice cream is done.
This one is perfect.
Everything is perfect.
Perfect everything. That is up there, but it feels different. These two are stick together. Others are not stick together.
Give one.